What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you see already the blizzard warning has already expired on the weather radios, but it hasn't expired yet. But I'm gonna show you something interesting. I wonder what this one is saying. Is it for KZ52? Nope, it isn't. It's for KIH61. Blizzard warning. Yeah. It's probably because I didn't reset the time on this one. But, however, I'm okay with this one still showing its warning light. Here's why. Because the blizzard warning doesn't start until 8 p.m. and expires at 3 a.m. tonight. So, 3 a.m. tonight. So, it's okay. WR-120DSP. You smart. It's smart of me for doing that. But if it doesn't expire until 2 a.m., I'm going to think there was a problem with this and reset it. But I fixed the time on this one in particular. The other two I didn't fix the time. If you haven't noticed too, I got the collection shelf fixed. If you haven't noticed it, I fixed my collection shelf. I did do some moving around because last night I thought there would be a power outage. Because, yeah, but tonight there could easily be a power outage, so I might be moving that light right there. You can also notice cables right there. That was just temporarily. Same like WR-40. Same like permanently WR-40. I had to take out the battery out of my Smash weather radio. Because I couldn't figure out how to silence the alarm because the same reason I'm not using my Alexa until this blizzard warning expires. So this one's still flashing because it's an old weather radio. But really, I think it's interesting if you don't reset the time. That's a cool trick. Wait, that's a cool trick actually. You just don't reset the time. You can keep the alert as long until the alert expires, and if you put the correct time in. I think it goes like 300 goes until 8 p.m. I know it's still all night it was doing this. It's been on like this all night. Which I think is nice. Meanwhile, to say, actually, I never ever had a winter alert or a winter storm alert in my life. Yeah, EAS did. I never heard it on TV. I never heard it on weather radios. Except for one, maybe the Snow Squad warning, but that's not what like hailed to that as like a major weather alert, like a winter storm alert, like blizzard. I think the major weather storm alerts are blizzard, winter storm warning, winter weather advisory, and winter storm watch. Those are the full major alerts, but Snow Squad warning is a newer one. That's like a severe thunderstorm warning or tornado warning and winter storm. But anyways, that's it.